Para in Aldao, Bicolandia, this is Reynard Balonzo reporting live from Legazpi City for Rappler. We are currently at the Albay Provincial Capital where the Commission on Elections Provincial Board proclaimed the elected officials from all districts and key provincial positions. As of 2:30 p.m. Tuesday, May 13, Comelec Albay proclaimed Noel Rosal as governor and Diday Co as vice governor. Prior to the official proclamation, the camp of incumbent 2nd District Representative Joey Salceda filed a motion to suspend Rosal's proclamation, citing his suspension order issued by the Ombudsman.
That gubernatorial candidate Jose Maria Clemente Salceda manifest and formally move before this Provincial Board of Canvassers a motion to suspend the proclamation of gubernatorial candidate Noel Rosal. On the primary ground, which we want to take notice of the import of a Court of Appeals decision, which I cite into the records of these proceedings, Court of Appeals General Record SP 185892, in the case of Noel Rosal and Carmen B. Rosal versus Adrian Duterte. For the records of these proceedings, which we want to take notice, in said decision, it has upheld its earlier decision to deny the motion for reconsideration filed by the Rosals, who sought to overturn a ruling that rejected their application for a temporary restraining order against the office of the Ombudsman.
Rosal, who was initially elected Albay governor in 2022, faced suspension due to alleged violations of election spending regulations. While the Comelec's First Division disqualified him, the Supreme Court issued a temporary restraining order allowing him to contest the recent election. Rosal's camp argued that there was no official decision from the Comelec to warrant the suspension of his proclamation, emphasizing the lack of finality in the previous decision.
For a petition to deny due course or cancel a certificate of candidacy, declare a nuisance candidate or for disqualification remains pending with the Commission on the day of canvassing, and no order of suspension of proclamation is issued by the Comelec and Bank or Division where said petition is pending. The BOC shall proceed to proclaim the winner notwithstanding if there is /R pending cases filed against him or her.
1002, Section 34, we will proceed with the proclamation. Order the session. We'll proceed with the proclamation.
Albay subsequently ruled to proceed with the proclamation, citing a lack of merit in the motion. The winners for the 3 congressional districts will also proclaimed. Edsel Lagman's daughter and incumbent Tabaco City Mayor Crisel Lagman for the 1st District, the business magnate Caloy Loria for 2nd District, and Joey Salceda's nephew and incumbent Colange Town Mayor Adrian Salceda for the 3rd District. According to Comelec's latest tally, Noel Rosal garnered 404,015 votes, representing the highest number of votes in this election turnout. This secured him a lead of 9,013 votes over Joey Salceda, who received 394,822 votes. Again, this is Reynard Balonzo reporting live here in Legazpi City for Rappler.